Dude, how much is amaretto?
I don't even know, Taylor. I don't know when I got that. I don't even know why I have it.
Does amaretto expire? Is that why it's so good?
Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Taylor.
And together we're bringing you
Three-Course Meals
to inspire you in your kitchen
and your liquor cabinet. Welcome back to Three-Course Meals.
Welcome back. All right, today, Sunday brunch.
Whoop, whoop.
Because you should start every Sunday morning with a cocktail. What are we having today, Taylor?
I'm going to be making a Rasmaretto. So raspberry with amaretto. And I've never had amaretto.
Yeah.
I literally don't even know what it's supposed to taste like, what's in it.
Yeah. I don't know that I've ever had it, but I had it in my liquor cabinet. So
we're going to try it.
Yeah. So we're also going to be making crepes. I have never made crepes.
Me neither.
I'm so excited. I'm going to try.
Today is full of new adventures.
It is. Big man.
We got this.
Okay. So we're going to make a sweet and savory crepe. For the savory, we're going to do ham and cheese with the Hollandaise sauce.
And then the sweet is going to be a strawberry puree with whipped cream on top.
And the crepes that we're making are from Sally's Baking Addiction. So we're going to try it. I'm sure we're going to love it.
I'm sure we're going to kill it.
Let's get started.
Drinking.
Yeah, let's get started drinking.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Okay, so to start, we are going to set our pot on medium-high heat. And we're gonna let that come to a boil. Okay, I was actually real skeptical that we did not have enough liquid in there. But the raspberry juice is actually really coming out really nicely. So it's making a lot more liquid than what I put in there. So far I'm feeling confident about this. Okay, so now that we've got a good little rolling boil here, I'm going to reduce the heat to low. And we're gonna let that sit for about 15-20 minutes.
Now we're going to strain our raspberries. So I'm just using this little strainer over a bowl, and once I get all of them in there, I'm just gonna kind of mash them through to make sure those seeds stay put. The juice is coming through and it's just kind of staying there. So I'm just gonna come around on the other side and just help it out.
Is this a bad time to tell you that we could have bought raspberry sauce?
But that's not nearly as fun.
That's my girl.
I feel like a honeybee farmer. Next week on Three-Course Meals, harvest our own honey. There's still a lot of seeds in there.
It's so much better though.
Yeah.
Some people eat their seeds when they're eating fruit. We drink our seeds. It's fiber.
Okay, so for our Rasmaretto, we're gonna do 1 1/4 cup ounce of amaretto. I've never had amaretto.
It smells really good.
Taylor, I had to wait while you made the raspberries. We had to wait while it cooled. Can we just have a drink?
This is the longest we've gone into an episode without making a drink.
I can't take it, Taylor.
Smell it. Ooh, I need to find more amaretto recipes. Are they equal?
Yes, they're perfect.
Okay, so 1 1/4 ounce. 1 1/4 ounce. So 1 1/4. That's 1. You sure this recipe isn't doubled?
I'm sure. Why are we fighting about it? Do it. If it doesn't taste good, we'll add pretzels.
I'm not making more jam. 5 to 6 ounces of lemonade. Apparently, that's equivalent to 3/4 cup.
It is.
Is what I'm told.
I'm gonna go grab some stirs. For you, Taylor, I got you
a
flamingo
pink.
because you're flamazing.
Oh my god. That is so pretty.
Look. Wow. Look, that is
I haven't been
very
doing my
pretty.
Timmy takeout thumbnail.
Oh.
Thumbnail. That is so pretty.
Cheers.
Shut it all. Shut your face.
She's not lying.
Oh my God.
This is so good. Why have I not been drinking amaretto all these years?
Oh my. This is going to be another martini situation.
Yeah.
Because this is,
We're going to have to make more raspberry syrup, aren't we?
no, we're going to just get raspberry lemonade.
Oh. She's brilliant. This is raspberry lemonade. That makes more sense now.
But you got to do it once. We had to try it. And you know what? We could make a raspberry lemonade, like just get raspberry lemonade and then compare the two. Fresh raspberry syrup or raspberry lemonade, which one's better? Or are they the same? We'll let you know tomorrow when we wake up. That is really freaking good. Almonds and apricots. Apricots? Apricots.
Apricots.
Caramel. Caramel.
Whoa, this is good. We are now going to make our crepe dough, I guess you call it. Crepe batter. We're going to make our crepe batter. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all the ingredients, I'm going to put them in the blender together. I'm going to warn you guys, this is a Vitamix blender. If you don't have one, let me tell you, this is like, it gets so hot, you can make soup in it. So I'm going to put everything in, I'm going to blend it very short spurts before it starts cooking in my blender. So anyway, okay, so what we are doing here, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is 3 tablespoons of butter. You have to melt it and then let it cool slightly. The last thing I have here is 3/4, a little less. Don't make me laugh, you're gonna make it worse. 3/4 cup of whole milk. So I don't have whole milk in the house. I have 2%. So what I did was I filled it halfway with the 2% milk and halfway with heavy cream. Put my lid on. We're gonna blend it up on a very low speed. I don't want this to cook.
Oh, it smells so good. I'm really excited about these crepes.
This is like my bucket list. This is on my Pinterest list of things I've always wanted to try. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the bowl, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
Don't know why. If you are an avid crepe maker, please tell us why.
And also don't judge our technique. This is our first time. Tell us what we're doing wrong.
Kindly.
We have our crepe batter. I think we decided it is. Got a crepe batter. And it's over medium heat. I've been letting my pan come to temperature for about 5 minutes or so. So now I'm going to say, one tip the recipe shows is to butter between every single layer. So I am going to put some butter on there. We're supposed to add 3 to 4 tablespoons. I measured this and about to here is 4 tablespoons. So what I'm gonna do is just put it in here between each serving. That's kind of my little measuring cup there. All right, so here's the magic. We put it down in the middle.
Crepe attempt number 1.
Yeah. And just kind of rock the pan so that it really stretches out and flattens out. It's supposed to be thin. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to do it faster than that. When it starts to separate from the pan, that's when we know it's ready to flip.
Oh, look at that!
And then we're supposed to put parchment paper in between each layer to keep it from sticking. So that'll be fun. That'll be the hardest part of this whole process. What do you think?
Can you flip it? Do it. Do it.
Jeez.
Oh, it laid it perfectly though.
Oh my gosh.
It knows what it's supposed to do.
Okay, I am gonna take this off the heat now. Whoa. That is pretty darn impressive. Oh, can you smell it?
Yes, so much vanilla.
Oh my gosh. All right. We are done. Got all our crepes. I buttered between every single crepe. I put parchment paper between the layers. I've done all I can. We're gonna make a hollandaise sauce to go on our savory crepes. So I've got this over just under medium. We're gonna add 3 egg yolks to the pan, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna mix this up. The lemon juice will start to cook the yolk, so we don't have to worry so much about it being, brought to full temperature. But we do want to whisk it in really, really well. And you can tell how it's turning it a light yellow color and it's fully mixed. Okay, so this last step then is to take a 1/4 cup of melted butter and stream it in there and stir it really, really well. We are going to do this very quickly, and then we're going to take it off the heat before it gets too thick. And that is how you make hollandaise sauce.
Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat on medium high so we can get it to boil. So we've got 8 ounces of strawberries. We're gonna let that sit, come to a boil. Just stirring it occasionally.
We're going to
As they
trust
soften.
we're going to trust that it'll get juicy.
Yeah, we're gonna trust that the juice comes out of the strawberries. I'm not gonna be worried this time because I've seen it work. So the sauce came out a little bit runny, and we're not making a drink this time. So we want it to be kind of like sticky and syrupy. So we're gonna make a cornstarch slurry. I was just educated on what this is. So it's a 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch with about, how much did you say? 1/4 cup of water?
Tablespoon of water.
A tablespoon of water. We're gonna mix it real well. So it's still real watery. It's not gonna be like thick like a paste, like a glue. It's just super, super watery. So at the same time that we're pouring this in, I'm gonna be stirring it.
Yeah, just a light stream. And you may not need to use all of it. It's not going to thicken it up right away, but it will thicken it up as it continues to
And
warm up.
it is already thickening it up pretty good.
And that's probably, I mean, think about how thick you want your sauce to be on your crepe. You don't want
Yeah.
it to be too thick.
Yeah, it's definitely not as watery anymore. And I can feel like pushing the whisk through it.
Yeah.
There's more resistance in there. So that's really good. That's the consistency that I want.
Awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna turn this off and we're gonna start assembling our crepes.
So we were able to make 10 crepes with our batter. So now we are going to assemble them. For our savory, we're going to use diced ham and some Gouda cheese. I only have the sliced cheese, so we're going to take about 1/2 of a slice. I'm going to fold this up, and I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 20-30 seconds. For our sweet crepe, we're going to put some strawberry sauce in here, maybe about, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. We're going to fold it up. Alright, so let's put some Hollandaise sauce on our savory crepe. We're going to put a little bit of whipped topping on our sweet crepe. Alright, going to top it with a little bit of strawberry sauce. And there it is.
So pretty.
Let's dig in.
Yeah, which one are you gonna try first?
Savory.
Okay.
cheese and ham and a crepe. Are you kidding me right now? Are you? Ew! Don't do that! Are you kidding me?
I'm throwing it out. No. I knew it was gonna happen.
Can you tell you haven't eaten all day?
I knew it was gonna happen. I knew it was one day I was gonna
I
quit. I'm sorry. Cheers.
Dang, you didn't hesitate.
I'm so sorry. I am ashamed. Now can we eat?
Yes. After you cheers me.
Okay.
I had this whole thing planned. I was going to talk about Hollandaise because I've never tried it. I was going to try a bite without Hollandaise or with Hollandaise. The whole thing is thrown off now.
I love you. Okay.
Cheers. I was real worried the crepe. But okay.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
I was worried it was gonna be too sweet.
Yeah, because it smells like pancake batter when you're making it.
It's like just the right amount of sweetness.
Well, then I reminded her there's casseroles that have sausage and cheese and all kinds of things with pancake batter.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what this is, but it's not. It's
or
not
like a
as
pancake
sweet.
on a stick.
Yeah.
With the pancake and the sausage.
But it's definitely not as sweet as we thought it would be. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Taylor, now that I've had a moment, I can't believe I did that. I know. Stop looking at me. I feel bad. I'm going to be apologizing at midnight tonight. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I did that. So, what do you think of Hollandaise sauce?
I don't know. I can't really taste it.
It's got that lemony tang to it.
Oh, I got that.
Yeah. Either you like it or you don't.
It's real buttery.
Oh, so real quick tip. Anytime that you're making hollandaise sauce and it may separate, or you want to use it the next day, add more melted butter and whisk it together. I learned that.
That is so good.
I can't believe I've never tried it.
Me neither. I'm really surprised at how good the savory one is.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, I can't pick it up. It's so delicate. Damn! Oh no!
Oh, can I make you another one? I'll make you another one. I'll do whatever you want. Just forgive me.
You go. Let's try the sweet one. All right. With a strawberry sauce in it. Oh.
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
And make sure you remembered.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That strawberry sauce is so good. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, that is really good.
I mean, it's so simple to make. We use frozen strawberries, and and of course the sugar and the lemon juice. It's so
just
simple.
let it sit there and boil, and then we didn't have to strain it like we did with the raspberries.
That's right.
So much easier
And so worth it. You're not gonna find a strawberry sauce, preserved jam, whatever in the store that tastes this good.
No, and even if it was frozen strawberries, it still tastes so fresh.
Mm-hmm.
That is so good.
Wow. All right.
I'm not ready to be done.
Yeah, we got to wrap up this video so that we can actually sit down and eat. Nobody wants to see how much of this we're going to eat. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you next week.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.